Now, after yesterday's scorcher, it's a very cold day here in New York City. But guess what? After a brief hiatus, I'm back. And it's after 4 p.m. The markets are closed, and it's time for a happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks stayed traded mixed Wednesday afternoon following a 4-session rally amid investor caution, with benchmark Treasury yields falling once again. Now, the 10-year Treasury yield that managed to fall as low as 2.439% this session, therefore marking its lowest level since last summer. A major factor driving bond yields lower is also the unwinding of a trade that had the investors long the U.S. dollar and short the Japanese yen. Meanwhile, with nothing on the economic docket, that's why I'm talking treasuries, investors were also focused on Toll Brothers. This after the homebuilder reported quarterly profit that more than doubled. While DSW, the shoemaker, it plunged after the footwear retailer reported a decline in its sales. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average barely lower this afternoon, with losses led by McDonald's. The S&P 500 rising to an intraday record of 1,914.50 and continuing to remain positive, up 0.6%. And the Nasdaq, that's in the red by a little more than 1.5 points. Let's now take a look to see how the Dow Jones and the other U.S. markets, how they fared this session. And lastly, McDonald's taking a hit after saying that it would return roughly $18 billion to $20 billion to its shareholders between 2014 and 2016. And also, on a personal note, it's my first day back in a while, and I would like to thank all of those who sent me a ton of messages, phone calls, and support of love during this rough time for me and my family. So with that said, I'm officially back. The week is halfway through. Have yourselves a drink, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.